Hello everyone, I'm Ali Reza. Welcome to Python 3 Beginner 5 Functions. Okay, functions. A way of splitting your program up groups reusable code, improves readability, debugging smaller code, less copy paste, and good practice. Example 1. Function that prints hello go prints this def hello print hello, as you see, parentheses closed, print open parentheses hello again, print as you see started, yes, end of it, hello, I don't know, so for that, Python 3 tut5.py started hello, copy paste this, try to practice more. Hello, full parentheses, dbk, as you see, here we go, Ouput, calling is using the function. You call the set of instructions to be used. Notice our hello function is executed after the started is output. Returning allows us to send a value back to its place of calling, known as returning. Example 2. Let's edit our script file tut5.py. So back in that, def hello, we replace get integer, remove hello, print the result equal int parentheses input. Please enter an integer. Sprint started. Return result remove all of that hellos. You print output equal get integer. Parentheses print output dbk. Python 3 tut5.p started. Please enter integer 5. Here we go. The loop. That was example 2. Let's edit our script file. Place the program starts. Good practice. It is useful for other people to use. Complex module for other people to use. That was creating a main. Just remember that. Something to share. Example 3. Editor tut5.py and the main function at the check to run. Go back to that. /diff main practice like this. I'm going to find the main if name equal underline main underlines equal main parentheses print this. Now we enter a ticker 6 as you see in the video. So let's check again. Diff get integer, diff main. Go back to slides. Parameters allow us to give variable to our function. Goes in the brackets. Multiple variables can be passed in by separating with a comma. Objects passed by reference. I give you time to read this. Example 4. Let's edit tut5. Passing the string into gentler. Div get integer prompt. We go down, go to end of it, remove it, all of it, and prompt. Replace the prompt and go down. Put prompt in get integer. Please enter an integer. Do it. Try it yourself. Do this example. The key of success is practice. Just remember that. Output 2 equal get integer parentheses. Please enter an integer. Bottom of line. To begin, please enter integer 5 6 go back. Next slide, iteration. That's it for today. Goodbye.